Hi there! In this video, we'll show you how vFairs helps event planners and organizers deliver an exceptional event registration experience for their attendees. The first interaction your audience will have with your event is your landing page and website. It's essential to land a great first impression to ensure more signups. vFairs allows you to create a highly customizable landing page that reflects your brand. You can add your company logo, incorporate your brand colors, and add any content you want to showcase, like the event agenda, speakers, sponsors, pictures, videos, and a FAQ section. The website can also be made available in multiple languages to accommodate for diverse audiences like English, French, Spanish, German, Mandarin, and many more. Your event website will also be VPAT and WCAG compliant, making it highly accessible for people with special needs. Thus, with vFairs, your event website is always optimized to attract more registrants. We also provide an AI content assistant should you need help in generating content for your landing page. This massively cuts down your time to market. Next, your audience members will click through to the registration form to sign up for the event. You can easily customize the fields and labels using our drag and drop form builder. You can even capture documents, like a resume, for job fairs. Moreover, vFairs also enables you to set up conditional logic to show, hide, or modify fields based on user input. For example, you can easily load up a list of cities once a country is selected. Next up, you can set up multiple ticket types for your event. For example, you could offer a general admission ticket alongside a VIP ticket, which buys attendees exclusive access to reserved spaces in your event. You can also have the option to offer paid add-ons, such as charging a fee for access to an exclusive webinar, to give your participants more options to personalize their experience. The ticketing page setup also supports early bird discounts and coupon codes, as well as group buying. The group buying option allows one person to buy multiple tickets on behalf of a group. For example, when an admin is buying tickets for multiple employees. Once registration is complete, your attendees will be taken to the payment page. vFairs integrates with top payment platforms like PayPal and Stripe, making the payment process quick and seamless. The registration, tiered ticketing, and payment process can also be applied to sponsorships or exhibitor packages if you'd like to sell them directly on your event landing page. As registrations are rolling in, you can easily track and manage them through the attendee management interface. It's easy to update attendee details and verify received payments. You can see the volume of registrations in a given time frame from the dashboard. Finally, vFairs offers integrations with popular CRMs such as HubSpot, Salesforce, and Marketo, so you can easily migrate new registration information into your CRM or enrich data of existing contacts. This makes it easier for you to manage your event attendees and maintain a centralized database. All in all, vFairs simplifies the event registration and ticketing process for virtual, hybrid, and in-person events. We even assign a dedicated project manager to you to help with the setup and give you peace of mind. I hope this demo was useful. If you have any further questions about event websites, registration, or ticketing, please reach out to us at sales@vfairs.com. Thank you for watching.